What's up, everyone? I am going to be doing some more videos about China to answer everyone's biggest question: what's China like? What's living in China like? Hopefully I'll answer that one video at a time. So today we're gonna be cooking. So we're starting off real easy. We got an Australian black pepper steak from the down under. Down under in the freezer. So this, I don't even know if it doesn't look like that. You can see it through the back here. It kind of has a very mystery meat appearance to it in a suspiciously perfect circle shape. So we're gonna try this out. I got a couple of them. We're gonna just play with it, see what happens. And then we got what goes with steak? Potatoes. So we got some potatoes, an onion, and who doesn't like a little bit of garlic? So let's get cooking. So we're gonna start with the potatoes. I think we're gonna slice these up, and we are going to try and cook them on this pan, and hopefully they'll come out good. So I've taken one of the potatoes, I've diced it up on the cutting board using the biggest knife that I could find, and put a little bit of salt and pepper on them, put them in just a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna cook these puppies up on our gas fancy 2-burner stove. And I also just cut into the onion. We're going to use a little bit. And I think we're gonna throw the onion and the garlic in with the steak when it's about done. So I'm gonna get those ready and then start the steak and start the potatoes, and we'll be off to the races. So here's a good look at the suspiciously circled steak. We're just gonna throw this in this pan. This pan is awesome, by the way. Just throwing that out there. I've used this for a couple other things, my Chinese version of spaghetti and such, cooking up some sausage. Nothing sticks to this pan. I don't know what it is, but I want one. So the stoves are just normal gas burning stoves. They're kind of sketchy to light. They're about as normal as it gets. This one, the starter actually works on, as you can see. We're gonna get that low and just get that going. This one, the starter actually does not work. So you may be asking, Andy, what are we doing with a lighter in the kitchen? Well, I'm glad you asked that. Just kind of turn it down to like simmer, and then we just kind of do this number, like boom, fire. So the steak's looking pretty good. I got the onions and garlic in there. They're underneath it. Cooking those up. So that's actually almost done. However, you can see the potatoes are no longer there. That's because, well, it didn't quite work like I wanted it to. So backup plan this is our oven. And as you can see, we got the potatoes in there and they're going. Yeah, hopefully this works better. Here's the final product, and you thought I was gonna try and eat this with chopsticks. Wrong. Fork and knife. Tune in next time to see what we cook.